So I don't know if I've told you all before. I know I have, but I don't know. It's been a while. The doctor who I work with, him and his wife, they do keto. And so every now and then she'll make a quiche and she'll send him one to bring to me. So tomorrow, you can look at it. It's got layers. You can see there's cheese and egg and cream, and down at the bottom there's meat. And she does a really good job of it. And so tomorrow I'm going to do half of this with, well, half of the original. Hang on. That's good. I mean, it's one of these tomorrow for breakfast and the other the next day for breakfast. So I'm going to take this with me to work tomorrow. So the other one I'm going to put in the refrigerator. Hang on. Alright, so I'll have this with my coffee in the morning. I don't know how I'll plug it in because, you know, I don't know how because it's something I didn't make. But I know she's a good cook. And this looks like it's a mixture of meats. You can see the small tiny pieces versus the longer pieces. So this looks like it's a blend of 93% and 73%. So I'm going to put some umami on it. I enjoyed having that tonight. And with that, I'm going to put a little bit of smoked paprika. And that's all I'm going to put on it. So tomorrow I will be, in the next section of this video, what is today? Today's Thursday. So this is my Friday lunch. This will be Friday breakfast, and this will be Friday lunch. So I'll take that with me. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'm good to go now. Good morning. I have my protein coffee this morning, and half a piece of quiche that doctor I work with, his wife made. I think I told you all that in my previous section of the video. So that is what I'm having this morning. And yeah, it's going to be good. I know it's always good. It's even good cold. But I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So bye. Hello, I'm eating my supper. I don't remember how I seasoned it. I know I did it last night though, so let's find out if it's any good. Let's just see. Whatever I did a good job on it. Okay, see what's up. Also, I found out I have the bad dogs of the neighborhood. So, I'm going to be keeping them locked up all day while I'm at work, like a normal dog. And I'll be going home at lunch to let them out for a while to see, make sure they don't have any accidents. And so anyway, so my lunch times are going to be a little bit weird. What else was I going to tell you? Oh, but for sure I will be making sure I walk them, at least most days because, they're going to be cooped up in the house all day. So, yeah. So my routine is for sure going to be walking them unless it's something really weird going on. So, okay. Now, bye. We're playing with the Halloween costumes. This isn't mine, but it's somebody else's wig. This is how I'd look as a blonde. Pretty washed out, but anyway, yeah. So I'm at Walmart, and our jicama is really cheap compared to turnips. So 9.2 cents per ounce is what our jicama is. Hang on. Whereas our turnip root is 15.5 cents per ounce. So jicama's cheaper, but we're going to see what we think about this turnip stuff. All right, I just tackled Walmart. I got 2 bags of dog food, 4 of these big fatty boys, these 10-pounders of the 73%. There's 4 of them. Some toll paper. Not that you care about all this, but I get the 4-pack of puffs because I blow my nose constantly. I bought 2 things of water. I left the other one outside. Over here for my breakfast, I told you I'm going to start having a yogurt with my coffee in the mornings. So I got 15 because we get paid about every 15 days. So I got 15 of them. I got 3 bags of pepper and onion blend. We'll be doing stuff with that this weekend. I got a package of baby mushrooms. We'll be cooking that up this weekend. Some cabbage. I won't be cooking that. I'm going to use that raw. Paper plates and my good old allergy medicine. Some Static Guard. I got some dog treats. I got 3 containers of diced yellow onions. 2 containers of pico de gallo mild. Wait a minute, mild. Please be mild. Yep, okay. 2 containers of the mild pico de gallo. Let's see, I said 2 of those tricolor coleslaw. I got 1 of these broccoli slaws. And I got, just in case these don't work, these are turnips. So these are bags of turnips here. And so I'm going to piddle around with some tomorrow and see what I think. But as backup, I've got this stuff just in case I don't like that. So anyway, that's my shopping. And the total is $431. Well, I'm gonna round up $431. But that's because the dog foods, I got 2 bags. I usually just get 1, and those are $47 because I have an allergy dog. So I got 2 this time because I always try to keep 1 ahead because during COVID you couldn't find dog food very easily. So now I try to keep 1 ahead, but I got behind. So anyway, so yeah, all this. And these, hang on, let's look at it. Okay, feller. The 10 pounds, they're $28. They're like 3 something a pound. I'm trying to, hang on, let me pull it up here where I can see it. It's like 2 something a pound. Hang on, I'll go to the Walmart site and I can tell you how much it is. Okay, so these are $2.86 a pound if you get the fatty beef. So that's what I got. I mean, that's less than $3 a pound for beef. And yeah, you just can't get that. So that's why I go with these big fat boys. So there you go. So I'll get to my supper after I get things put away. So oftentimes what I do is when I get home from work in the evening on Fridays, I set the whatever out, and sometimes it'll stay out till, I'll set an alarm clock for around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'll come and check it. But this is definitely still frozen right now. So I'll come check it about 1 o'clock in the morning, and if it's defrosted enough, I'll stick it in the refrigerator, and then I'll start Saturday morning. But that's usually what I do, is just kind of set it out. Because it's soft-ish on the outside, but I just let it defrost now. So let's get to my supper. So that's some jicama that I made. It kind of looks textured, so I'm thinking it might have been in the skillet. And then this is the roast that I made a couple weeks ago. If you remember, it was really bloody and red when I cooked it. And it was, I microwave it when I eat it, so that's why I don't cook it all the way. I'm just going to put some salt on it. That's really all I'm craving tonight. But I kind of have to pull this out so I can get to it. So I'm going to put some salt on that. And that's really all I want right now, is just some salt with my pot roast and jicama. So that's my supper. Right there. And I'll see you. Wait, let me taste this. Yep, that's all I need on it. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow. Don't forget, tomorrow's meal prep day, so you'll see all the stuff that I bought today being used. I found a crustless quiche to add on here, and so there's my macros for the day.